I took the washer apart again, and I noticed in the piston that came out from the diaphragm, it has this. If you see the little notch on it, I don't know how to focus on it very well. Hopefully, well, anyway, there's a little indentation in the middle where it closes the valve. I think it's no longer performing very well. I'm going to try to smooth it out, and the spring inside, I'm going to bring it out and extend it out a little bit. Maybe the compressional force has reduced, so I'm going to stretch it out a little bit and see how it goes from there. But I'm going to try to seal up this little indentation in the middle of this piston. Assembled it. After assembling it this time around, there is no dripping, but I'm still going to check after washing one load and see if it stopped dripping. So I'll come back and check it after loading one load of clothes and just give it a quick wash. And we'll see what happens. Wow, at the end of the wash, since everything seems to be, it's as if we made it. Wow, that is awesome. Okay, so that's a well job. For mine, it worked for me. You could try it. Might work for you too. Thanks.